with my reaction video of disturbing viral videos. I don't know how this will go. Video number 1, it's one man, one jar. I believe it should be one man, one jar. This is number 2. It's one guy, one screwdriver. Searched it on Google, haven't clicked the link yet, and I already see images. Looks like this guy shoving a screwdriver through his forehead. This is gonna be disturbing as hell. Oh god. Well, I got dared to do this, talked about it, and I was like, I took up the challenge and decided to do it. You can hear that? And are you planning on going? No, I'm not planning on going. What the fuck? These are some weird ass websites. All this video must be weird. Oh my god. What the hell? This is just the ads. Oh my god. These ads are disturbing as hell. These ads. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't even watch the video. They're like these ads. Oh my god, it scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. That is the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't ever want to see that in my life. Oh my god. That is disturbing. I don't ever want to see it in my life again. Oh my god. I just saw something that scarred me for life. I did not need to see that. I did not need to see that. I could have lived my life without seeing that. Well, after seeing that, no thanks. Okay. After seeing that, that's kind of disturbed. That was the most creepiest thing I've ever seen in my life. Let's see if this is a video. This video does not exist. Great! So, we're sat here doing nothing because this video won't go, but I want to go back to that website. I have to go back to that website. I have to do this. My glasses saw. You saw my identity, people. Hope you are proud of yourselves. Well, I can't obviously find the video because all I get is reaction videos, and that website wasn't helping me. So, just go to the images and see how disturbing it really is. What? Oh my god! What the? Oh my. This guy. Oh my god. What the fuck? That is... This guy grabs a screwdriver and right here, he goes like, okay, I don't care if you see me anymore now. Okay, he goes and he shoves it in his head. What possesses a man to do this? Honestly. Oh my god. Bro, I think the guy died. Oh my god, did the guy die? I think he killed himself. Oh my god, because it just shows like his head. And like, I don't see his face though. Wait a minute. Oh my god. What the fuck?